When you think of Italian meatballs, what comes to mind? Maybe spaghetti and meatballs, right? But today I'm taking you to Sicily, where meatballs tell a different story. Sweet, savory, rustic, and rich in tradition, Sicilian meatballs, or Polpette alla Siciliana, are little bites of history on a plate. What makes Sicilian meatballs stand out? It's the special combination of flavors, the earthy richness of beef and pork, the saltiness of pecorino, and that surprising sweetness from raisins and pine nuts. This sweet and savory balance is pure Sicilian soul food. Here's what you'll need: half a pound of ground beef and half a pound of ground pork, 2 slices of stale bread soaked in milk until soft, a generous handful of grated pecorino cheese, 1 clove of garlic finely chopped, fresh parsley finely chopped, a small handful of raisins, a small handful of pine nuts, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for frying, optional simple tomato sauce for serving. First, soak the bread in milk until soft, then squeeze out the excess and crumble it into the meat. This is what gives Sicilian meatballs their tender bite. Add the cheese, garlic, parsley, raisins, pine nuts, salt, and pepper. Mix everything by hand. This is where the magic starts. When your hands meet the ingredients, you're already cooking with love, just like Sicilian nanas have done for generations. Shape the mixture into small meatballs about the size of a walnut. Heat olive oil in a pan and gently fry them until golden on all sides. Traditionally, Sicilians enjoy these meatballs fried and served simply, but you can also simmer them in a light tomato sauce for a softer, saucy version. And there you have it, Sicilian meatballs packed with flavor, history, and heart. Each bite tells the story of Sicily's crossroads of cultures, blending sweet and savory land and sea. Try them at home and bring a little Sicilian sunshine to your table. Buon appetito!